Welcome back to Hendo's Kitchen. Today we'll be making Huevos Rancheros, a simple, easy, great tasting breakfast that is a staple here in New Mexico. First off, we're going to need some eggs. So let's see if my chickens have some. Alright, plenty of eggs. Now that we have our eggs, let's start off by oiling our comal and slightly frying 2 corn tortillas. Now let's fry 2 eggs, salt and pepper to taste. And we are ready to assemble our Huevos Rancheros. First, we have our base of corn tortillas. Then our fried eggs on top. Then add your shredded cheese and smother the whole thing in your choice of chili. I like Christmas myself, so I usually use both red and green chili. Please make sure to hit that like button. And if you're new here, also please subscribe. Thank you very much. Tune in next time.